Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in.
I am sweating. Look at my bald head, is glistening with sweat. Hey, Mike Foster here. This video is called Sweat It Out, and I tell you, I've had other videos I talk about sweating, and it's good. It's a good reminder. Sweating is good for you. Sweating means you're exercising, you're moving around, you're getting that heart going, you're getting your body worked up into a lather. You're perspiring, and I think it makes you feel alive. They've done studies where a tribe of people that sweat it every day, that exercise every day, and it's not going to the gym, it's how they have to live their life. They have to hunt for food, or they have to go get water, or they're always on the move. But it's proven that if you sweat every day, it's going to add to your life. It's going to add years to your life. Of course, you got to sweat every day and mix that in with healthy eating habits, good mental attitude, good sleep. That's all part of balance, and that's for another video. But you could do all that stuff but not sweat, and I don't think your life will be as fulfilled or as successful or as happy. I try to sweat every day. My goal is to walk every day, 10,000 steps. I don't get it all the time, but I try to. And in between that, I ride a stationary bike. I live in Las Vegas, so I sweat just going in and out of the store from my car. And guess what? Probably pretty good for you. Got a little wind here. That wind feels good on my sweaty head, but sometimes it affects the volume. So, sweat it out. If you find yourself sitting there, not sweating, a little overweight, maybe mentally challenged, having a tough day mentally, maybe depressed, think of a way to get sweaty. I don't care what you do. I don't care if it's behind closed doors. And they say exercise and sweating is good for your mental health. You know, there's a lot of depression out there. There's a lot of unhappy people. There's a lot of folks that can fix their lives, change it, if they would just, well, if they just listen to a lot of stuff that I tell them, but it's not just me. There's a lot of good advice out there. Sweating it out, exercising is one of them. And if you want more videos or any help about your life or anything, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. And drop me a line, drop me a comment, and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
You know, they've done I can't say that word. That's probably pretty good. Bye-bye.